Here now are the answers to our exercises about the absolute value. For problem number 1, we have the absolute value of positive 20 plus positive 30 minus 40. To solve this, you must first perform all the operations inside the absolute value symbol. So first, we are going to add 20 and 30. This will give us positive 50. And then this will now be the absolute value of 50 minus 40. And perform 50 minus 40, that is 10. So the absolute value for 10 now is the number itself disregarding the sign, and this is 10. 10 is our answer to our first question. Number 2, the absolute value of negative 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So we need to perform this addition of negative and positive fraction, and they are similar fractions because they have the same denominator. So adding similar fractions, just copy the denominator and then add the numerators. Negative 2 plus 1, this will give us negative 1. Our denominator is 3. So we have the absolute value of negative 1 over 3. And taking the absolute value of negative 1 over 3, disregard the sign, we have here 1 over 3. This is our answer. And for number 3, we have the negative of the absolute value of 2 multiplied by 5 minus 15. First, we need to perform those that are inside the absolute value symbol. So we have here 2 multiplied by 5, that is positive 10, so positive 10 minus 15. 10 minus 15 is negative 5. First, take the absolute value of negative 5, and that is 5. And then put the negative sign, which is negative, and our answer here is negative 5. Problem number 4, the absolute value of negative 10 square root of 5 plus negative 5 square root of 5. So we can add the two. So negative 10 plus negative 5, that is negative 15, and then just copy the square root of 5. So the absolute value of negative 15 square root of 5, disregard the sign, and we have here 15 square root of 5 as our answer. For problem number 5, we have the negative of the absolute value of 10 minus 30 plus the absolute value of the quantity of 50 plus 30 divided by 5. Okay, again, perform all the operations that are inside the absolute value symbols. So we have here negative and 10 minus 30, that is now the absolute value of negative 20. The absolute value of 50 plus 30, that is 80 divided by 2. And then the absolute value of negative 20, disregard the sign, that is 20. And then the negative side on the outside, we will have here negative 20. Plus the absolute value of 80 divided by 2, disregard the sign, that is 40. So we have here negative 20 plus 40. This is equal to positive 20. So our final answer here is positive 20.